Okay, ready? The big tree. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Run. The big tree, run, yeah. Let's get dry. Is it okay for you to do that?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
You got your muckers on?
Yes.
Okay.
Some puddles are little and some puddles are big.
Yep. Ooh, that's a big one. Get it.
I like that puddle.
She likes that puddle.
I'm gonna do another under the big tree.
Where's the Hobbit house? Go to the Hobbit house. Let's go to the Hobbit house.
Where's Hobba House?
What Hobbit house? Hobba, hobba, hobba.
This
Is the Hobbit in the Hobbit house?
What?
Is there a pixie in there? Is there anything in there? Go look.
No.
Hello, is anybody home?
I'm gonna go in there.
Bah!
Look at all this.
You're not afraid, are you? Look at that. They're going to be pretty flowers, huh?
Where's the flowers?
They're going to be in springtime. It'll be flowers, lilies. And we're there too. Got the big stockings out. What, Boogie?